In your waist. Okay, umiikot. So sabi ni Tito B, habang ginagawa niyo yung put your hands in your waist, umiikot kayo. Parang, oh, put your hands in your eyes. Put your hands in your lips. Put your hands in your kilikili. Ni. Ni. Wala pa. Pag hindi,
Father, binigyan